Bless up people, you don't know this is Subi. Now, I spoke to you a few weeks ago about selective outrage. And it is happening again. Zane? Now, a few days ago, you know, some of the sisters them come forward and share them lifestyle with the public. See? And of course, you know, say, yeah, the activists them, the advocates them for a better society turned out, Zane, and they held back nothing. Zane? Notice, when the subject of a rape come up, you don't see the activists them. Notice, when the subject of abuse against our women, you don't see the activists them. Notice, when pedophilia argument come up, you don't see the activists them. The activists them say, them don't want the sisters them where live them life. Zane? Or people where live them life. Let me say people where live them life. Zane? Them don't want people where live them life. Law abiding people. We are talking about people when I break the law. Where live them life. Them must say, them are going to corrupt them children. Zane? So these artists that them say go corrupt them children because them come now and share some information, some personal information about themselves. Them are going to destroy society. Them are going to corrupt the children them. So when the argument did come up the other day, when the Prime Minister spoke about the violent lyrics where artists are singing about, now the same people them we are talking now, they'd say, yo, it not have no impact on society. The lyrics that cause crime and violence or contribute to crime and violence. So if a person, am I to believe that a person lifestyle where them live is more influential than the type of lyrics them we are singing? Me not say them no influential, you know. Me not say them not go impact society, but me want to know if them more influential than the man them where I sing for shoot out man head. Man them where give gunman ideas how to kill people. What kind of vehicle for drive when them go kill people and all of them things. Me just want to know. Zane? People within the industry more worried about people that are lesbians and homosexuals or gays or whatever they want to call it. And less worried about pedophiles and rapists. As a matter of fact, we advocate. We are advocates, Zane, for murderers and drug dealers and rapists. And we say free this and free that and free this and free that, you know. Them things don't impact society. So them artists there, them not impact society in a negative way. Or it's just the sisters them come forward now and maybe some man soon start come forward to and say them not straight. So I to believe say, yo, them people are impact society in a worse way. The murderers and rapists and pedophiles, known pedophiles, evidence of pedophilia within the music industry. I want to know say nothing about them things there. When I was saying me not straight because me attack, so no, don't. Because of that you don't care about. You mean that take up some guns and I give some youth. When they rate me, don't it? When they want to be my friend, don't it? When they want to get clout off of my name, don't it? Now go and watch you now go on with. Zane? Yeah man. Stay silent. On the other social issues them. Zane? And normalize grown men getting 14 and 13-year-old girls pregnant. And stay silent when one of the biggest artists in our industry get a 14-year-old pregnant. Stay silent when people like Mr. Handsome them molest little boys and still go around little boys. You see? Stay silent on them issues there. Zane? And keep pointing fingers. Pan Lila, the man, what's your name? J-Dap Kingdom, them or whosoever else want come out. See? Stay silent for the other issues them. Them not impact society. Are just the lesbian and the gay man them. Are them alone. See? Yeah, man. You can lead in the comment section. Or wherever them post this. You can go on and use all the epithets them you want to use. But the truth are always there. You see? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Oh, me have one song I have to play. Totally forget.
Fire fi raper boy, Jamaica make we turn the fire upon him. We no support the raper boy, time to call him without warning. I make a fire fi a raper boy, blazing make we turn the fire upon him. No, you no look no with no raper boy, from the touch a baby, you fi call him. Calling without warning. Cause I know victims them left balling. Calling, no wait till a morning. Rat-a-tat-tat, the can them planting. Why you watch it school bus when it passing? Touch me that time light it a casting. Me have the thing up to blast him and last him. Pull him a can, none never pass him. Fire me raper boy, Jamaica make we turn the fire upon him. We no support the raper boy, time to call him without warning. I miss the fire me a raper boy, blazing make we turn the fire upon him. No, you no longer with the raper boy, when you touch a baby, you be calling. It's a little dirty in my gay son. Him no want no big woman, him a waste man. Then I say a culture, that a rape man. Then the boy the pig get castration. Then up when the child them get some brazen. For the school get in a grave man. It's a little 14 in my weight man. We beat him and then turn him down a station. I am the raper boy, Jamaica make we come the fire upon him.
No, say now go get no forward seal because I'm a gay and lesbian me a burn out and bow cat. Boy, big up on yourself.